the last race of SIDBR 2023, event 119, DB22 Premier Open Final. Lane 1, Lela Shateria. Lane 2, SLDB Entulon Family. Lane 3, Kapuas Hulu. Lane 4, Shenzhen Ironman Dragon Boat Team. And right now, in the final 150 meter, they are now reaching the halfway mark. Boat number 3, Kapuas Hulu, Indonesia, in the front seat. Boat number 2 in the second position, SLDB Abdul family. Boat number 4 in the third position, boat 4 Shenzhen. And boat number 1 in the fourth position, currently Lela Shateria. Boat 3, Kapuas Hulu are now in the lead. Kapuas Hulu are trying to hang on to their lead. Kapuas Hulu, boat 3 in the first position, followed by boat number 2, have just passed boat number 4, SLDB in the second spot, boat 4, Shenzhen in the third position, and also boat 1, Lela Shateria in the fourth position. Kapuas Hulu, boat 3, they are hanging on at the number 1 position right up to the finish line. Kapuas Hulu, winner. Second position, boat 2, SLDB Entulon family. Third position, boat 4, Shenzhen. And the fourth position goes to Lela Shateria. Technical officials remain at the boarding area.